Like recently, I get a great news from someone from Pakistan. That guy is doing like Temu, and he's making his revenue is like over $15,000 a month just from Temu.
Wow.
So I don't know if someone proves that there is a method that's working, that's literally generating their sales.
I hit 15K revenue also.
I have a quick question.
It disappeared.
Yes, please.
Yeah, Poshmark, when we're listing,
Yeah.
is it taking credits just like from like it does from Amazon to eBay?
Yes.
Okay. And is there a group for Poshmark right now?
Currently we don't have a group, but we had two guys who were like best at this Poshmark, Benjamin and Larry. I guess Jonathan, you know them.
Isn't it Klecko?
Benjamin and
Klecko?
Klecko?
Sorry, what?
Benjamin and
Theo.
Klecko, right? Can you hear us?
Yeah. Right.
But do you want me to send their group? I think I have it. I don't know.
Yeah.
I guess
Yeah.
that would be a not great idea in here. If you can do that privately, that would be great. Because
Okay.
Yeah,
those guys are not the part of
investment.
EcomSniper right now.
Mhm.
So another thing that like after we done this, we're gonna get the the next, I guess, like like recently I get a great news from someone from Pakistan. That guy is doing like Temu, and he's making his revenue is like over $15,000 a month just from Temu.
Wow.
So I don't know if someone proves that there is a method that's working, that's literally generating their sales.
I hit 15K revenue also, by the way. I'm letting y'all know.
Bro.
Go.
Here's the allowance.
Going up.
Okay, nice. So anyone else wanna jump in? So the VERO, the VERO is something that no one knows. Like literally, no one knows which one is the VERO and which one is not the VERO. So how we're gonna define it? If anyone list something and then eBay send is a message that you can't list it, you have to take it out. This is a VERO, and the brand or the category you can report it to the VERO list that we have. You can suggest the brand, and then we're gonna accept that. And from the next on, it will not list that brand. It will avoid for everyone.